Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and I am back today to share my project from my Practically Perfect Carta paper that I bought. I did a haul on this paper a little while ago, and I knew I wanted to make a mini book with it, and I had like the 6x6 paper pad, and I had the ephemera pieces and the chipboard stickers. And mostly I've used, I think, just about all the ephemera pieces, and I actually ran out of the 6x6 paper pad and I had to purchase another one. So but I didn't use all of the second one. I probably could have if I made the book bigger, but it's actually it's pretty substantial and pretty heavy. So let me give you some measurements. It measures 5, I think it's actually like 5 1/4, maybe 5 by 5 1/4, maybe that's it. 5 by 5 1/2, but I think it might be 5 1/4 by 5 1/2. In actuality, I'm just not reading it right. And the spine is 2 1/2 by the same 5 1/2. And this is paper from the kit as well. And then that's it. So to look at the front again, this is one of the ephemera pieces. Let me get it back in the view for you. This is one of the ephemera pieces, and I just did a little bit of Wink of Stella on the frame and some liquid pearls from Ranger. I tried using the Nuvo drops, and I have some issue with Nuvo drops. I can't always get a clean drop, and I find that the Ranger works a little bit better. I can get a more precise dot or drop. So I use those here, and then I put a little bit of lace on the side and a little bow. Everything is matted. This is paper from the collection. It's really pretty. A little tag from the ephemera pieces, and then this is a chipboard sticker. The flower and the butterfly are both from my stash. So again, here is the spine. Let me pull this out a little bit. Okay, I think that might be a little bit better. So this is just paper from the collection. This was actually a different type of piece, and I trimmed it down to fit there. And then the back. And I didn't put anything on the back, but if I wanted to, I could. So let's start with the book. There's like 6 sections, and they are using a stacked hinge binding system, and all the pages are different, but they have like the same symmetrical design, if that makes sense. So the first page is I did a panel of every page with the paper line, and then this is a giant sticker that I just have affixed at the bottom so that I can put this tag in there. And I really like this tag because I thought it was great to have in the beginning of the book. I'll tuck that back in there. And then this is just a front pocket or a bottom pocket. And I have a 3x4 journaling card, and the back is blank. Then we have just another little decorative photo mat. I love this. And another photo mat that's for a bigger picture. And those all go in the front, and there's plenty of room to put more photo mats and things and pictures in there, ephemera, whatever. Then I have 6 of these in each little section, and they just tuck into the side, and I used my Memory Keeper's corner punch there and my Stampin' Up tag stamp. The next page is more paper, obviously. This is a picture frame design where I just did a couple of fishtails on a couple pieces of paper and made it look like a frame. And then I have a pocket with a tag, and again I can put another tag or 2 in there, another photo mat or whatever, especially if I have small pictures. And then for this page I have, I'm going to scoot it over here a little bit. I have this insert also. So this is another place to put journaling or photo mats, and it has a magnetic closure. So when I stick it in here, it clasps there. And then this page here I left, you know, mostly undecorated because of this flap here, but I could definitely put something else here if I wanted. And it says Audubon Society. Over here is a belly band, and I did the belly band a little thicker than I normally do. This little butterfly likes to come loose. I've decided that I really don't like chipboard pieces so much. I'll definitely use all the ones I got from all the different kits, but I'm finding they're either not sticky on the back or they add too much dimension than what I want, but that's just a personal preference. They're still pretty and all that stuff. But anyway, I did the belly band a little bit differently because I folded in the edges a little bit to add some thickness, and then I also put some foam tape behind it. And the reason why I did that is so that I could put more items in the belly band. So you can, I don't know if you can see, but there's a big space there. And I have this little booklet to put photos in. And I think that tucks right nicely in there. And even when I add photos, it's still going to fit in there. And then I just made a little tag. This is actually a recycled piece of the packaging from the ephemera pieces. So I liked the grid on it, and I thought it matched pretty well. And I just took a couple ephemera pieces and decorated there. And it would be cute to add some words or, you know, sentiments or something to that tab as well. Then we come to the middle, and I love doing a middle spread that opens up because I just love it. There's a little more space in the middle here so that I can allow for the pages to open up. So this first page just says, it takes one of the ephemera pieces, the quotes, and it says, "Have courage and always be kind." And then this one over here is a little tag with a brad in it instead of a ribbon, and a piece of the chipboard. And then if we open it up, ephemera pieces from the kit. Love this. And I kind of put the spoonful of sugar and the English tea together just because I thought it went well. And I have, like, you know, a photo mat here and a photo mat on the other side. And then in the middle are pockets that I used my We Are Memory Keepers scallop punch for, which I really like how this looks, because in the beginning I just did a straight flat edge, which is what I normally do, but then I switched it up a little bit and did a scalloped edge, and I really like the way that looks. I took a piece of the paper and cut out part of the story here. It says "A Day in the Park," and there's a place to put a photo on the back, which I didn't think I would want to cover that up. And then this side I can put a photo here or a photo here, journaling, whatever. And I love that. It's just so cute. And then, like I said, every one of these have little pullouts. Here's my belly band for this side. And I've got another tag that I made with the packaging and some ephemera pieces. And I stapled them on here. And another little booklet, which I liked. I rounded the corners. And then this is, I love this borders type piece from the kit. So pretty. And another butterfly. I did the same design there. The back half is usually symmetrical with the first half. It's just all the designs are different. So this one has some rhinestones from Hobby Lobby out of my stash. And then this opens up like this. And again, we have the day in the park and a journaling spot. And I found this paper to be just so cute, and it was so fun to work with. I love the birds on this page, and it says, "You're the sprinkles to my Sunday." And this is not affixed all the way if I want to put another photo mat there. I do have extras that I made that I did not fit in this book, so I can always add more. This is a butterfly garden with a little tag. It's a pocket. Another picture frame with the fishtailed ribbons. And then this back pocket has a few photo mats. We have the larger one with the music and a journaling spot. or a photo mat. And then I have this little piece, it says haberdashery, and it's like the Mary Poppins hat. And there's a place on the back where I can add a photo, and it's just a little bit more dimensional because I have this popped up here. It was actually a two-piece ephemera, 2 pieces of the ephemera kit, and it looked like one of those photo, like Insta photo frames. And so that's why I punched out this, backed it, and then popped it up and made it a little bit different. I did think about making a shaker card out of it, but I ended up not. And then this is another photo mat and a journaling spot. And then I have a little Prima wire butterfly there from my stash. And then the very last page is a carousel from the ephemera package, and I just backed it in black and then put it on the back as a decorative piece. But I could definitely add a space here, like a flip over or whatever, if I wanted to add a picture or something. But I liked it the way it is. It's a pretty substantial book, like I was saying, if you can see it from the side. And then this is the top view as well. So it is quite heavy, and it will hold quite a few photos because every space can fit more. So even like these are like 2, 4, just the tabs are 12. And then if you, the pull-out ones with the magnetic closures is like another, that would make like 14. And then all the pages you can put on there, all the photos you can add to the pages and to the back of the photo mats and things. I think I probably could easily fit about 50 pictures in here. So I think it's really cute. It'd be nice for any kind of a party or a celebration, like a birthday party. Anyway, this is my project share from the Carta Practically Perfect paper, and I really enjoy this, and I highly recommend this paper. It's so easy to work with, and I love it. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching my video, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.